Place value in ordering positive and negative numbers. If you're revising, pause the video and have a go at examples 1 and 2. In example 1, we have to put the masses of these babies in ascending order. So ascending order means going from the smallest to the largest. So you start off by looking at the first column because it has the biggest influence on the size of the number. And the smallest number there is the 2. So this number here is the smallest, 2.351. The rest of them are all 3s. So to check out which one's the smallest, we look at the next column. It is the biggest bearing after the first one. So this is 3/10, and 3/10 is the same size. This is 3/10, the same size. This is 4/10. So that's actually bigger than all the remaining ones. So I can put it down at the far end. It's the biggest number. Now because these are all 3/10, we need to go to the next column, which is the hundredths column. We've got a 5, we've got a 4, so this one's smaller so far, and we've got a 1, but 1's even smaller again. So we write down the 1 with the 1 in it, 3.315. The next one would be the 3.345, and the next one is the 3.35. And there are all the numbers from smallest to biggest. In example 2, we have to write these numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to biggest. The smallest number is actually going to have if you ignore the negative sign, it's going to be the biggest one because the number line's working in the opposite direction now. So -5 is the smallest, or if you imagine temperatures, that would be the coldest. It's the one that's furthest from 0. And if we go up towards 0, we go -5, then we go -4. There is no -4. -3. Well, we've got 2 -3s. This one here is further away from 0 than this one, so this one's smaller. -3.9. And then -3.105. So we can get rid of those. Now we're left with these two here. Now, which one is smaller? Well, this one here is further away from 0. This is further up the number line, so it's the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. Now, if you don't know why I'm doing this, which one's smaller, which one's bigger, what you could do with that question is get rid of the negative signs in all those questions and order it from biggest to smallest, and then put the negative sign back in again, and you would have it from smallest to biggest.